let's do an unboxing. Finally, it's here. I do need this because I opened a lot of tabs on my two screens and the PC, so this additional screen will go a long way. So this is the ZenScreen Portable Monitor. So you can basically take it with your PC bag and basically use it anywhere. So it's going to come in very handy for me because I do open a lot of tabs and I work on a lot of screens. So it comes with this sort of a bag here. It's basically like a pad. So if you know, like a tablet pad thingy, that is what this one is for. And you can put this to the side, and you can basically, this is the user manual. So you can see this is the manual. Put this guy here, and we also have a manual that looks like that. Well, would you look at that? You can use these things for energy and thingies. And it comes with a connecting cable. So one side is different because it looks like the weird connector. I don't know what this input is called. Then the other side is just USB for your PC. So this goes into like the screen itself, and then this one goes into the what you call these things. It goes into the PC. Yeah. Then we have our useless protector here. Make sure nothing is damaged, and we have the installation guide, which we're gonna use in a few minutes. That looks good. And we are finally opening the main man, the moment of truth. I think I need to take this out. Let me take this out. Right. And I sort of have to do this. Right. Hold it carefully here. Right. And you take it out like that. And it's just a screen. It's just like a regular screen. Nothing fancy. Actually quite portable as they defined it. It's not like big. It is like 15-inch, so it's more like the MacBook size, the one that I'm using, because 15-inch. So it's plenty of playroom in terms of screen size. Would you look at that? Doesn't it look amazing? Doesn't that look amazing? ASUS. Trust that ASUS. We believe in ASUS. And I am going to set this up and basically start working on it. So I'll show you guys how it looks when it's plugged in and everything. But that's it for now. Thanks.